So my name is Chuck. I'm with the Chuck Stack, and we're an open source technology stack, and we're focused on small and medium organizations with the goal of being able to connect everyone in an organization in a secure way and provide reasonable AI-enabled applications like ERP to run your organization. And the emphasis is on AI automation and augmentation while minimizing the number of experts that are needed to be able to do the things that we just talked about. With small and medium organizations, cost and complexity are the enemy. And these people don't typically have a large IT staff, even if any at all. And this is where phoenixNAP really shines. So the tool is easy to understand, easy to reason about, and I can take advantage of both the cloud and my local resources in a hybrid scenario. You guys are making cloud computing available to more people. And I think in a significant way. You give me the ability to minimize the number of experts that I need to hire, and you give me the ability to use the same tools and those experts everywhere. When you go to enable cloud computing, there are certain things that you expect to have. You expect the ability to have a nice little wizard that fires up a machine. You want the ability to be able to attach some additional storage. You want to be able to attach an IP. So the thing for me that's so important is that it's the right tool, but also as important is it's the right price. Because I can take advantage of existing expertise, because I can use the same tools everywhere, I can take advantage of compute at every location, is it gives me the ability to reduce my overall cost of my infrastructure down like 75%. My cost with phoenixNAP is 1/4 to 1/5 of the cost that I have with AWS. You have a right-sized solution. And what that means is you make it easy like a traditional VPS, but I get the benefit of running on bare metal. People oftentimes think that running on bare metal requires a certain amount of expertise that are above and beyond what I would typically use like it was a VPS. And what I'm finding is that's not really true at all. In fact, there's actually a fairly significant number of benefits to running on bare metal service because in my case, I use my own virtualization, and I can use that virtualization everywhere in the cloud, locally, on my desktop. I'm able to take advantage of the knowledge of AI and use it inside phoenixNAP in a way that I can't use with the other cloud providers. Trust is a big deal. And finding a provider that you can trust is difficult. It takes time to learn, it takes time to experiment, it takes time, because you don't really know who someone is until there's an issue. There's a feeling of support that you get with you, that I've felt with you guys, that I've never had with the other major cloud providers, AWS and Azure, because you guys have been there when things get tight, when there's a deadline, when things don't work as expected. I think that's why phoenixNAP is so important, is because I feel like I was able to understand the product quickly, and I was able to establish a level of trust that I think made it easier for me to do what I needed to do. I haven't found really anyone else in the world who's better at it than you. The balance between ease of use and cost and expert utilization puts you in a category of your own. So for me, you guys are a pivotal part of my community.